Welcome to web scraping with Node.js in Google Cloud. This video will show some different resources we have developed to walk you through how to scrape websites depending on your use case. You'll find a number of resources on our blog that take you step by step through each of the methods we will demonstrate in this video. All of these resources can be found at lukestoolkit.blogspot.com. Serverless is a powerful new cloud technology that enables us to run our code in the cloud and not worry about hosting. It is highly scalable, enabling you to scale up or down as needed. Google Cloud Functions is a serverless cloud platform that I will be using for this guide. Google Cloud Functions provide 2 million free function executions and doesn't require any dependent paid services to make use of the service. It also provides 5 GB of internet egress traffic and 200,000 GHz seconds of compute time per month, which is great if you're just getting started. There are 3 different types of sites that you may want to scrape information from. These include websites that use JavaScript to load the page content in the client-side browser, websites that are protected by CloudFlare, which might require a mathematical challenge to be completed to load the page, or standard websites, which is your everyday website where the content is all in the HTML. Let's look at how to address these 3 scenarios using Node.js. To address websites that use JavaScript to load the page content in the client-side browser, there is a library called Puppeteer which is developed by Google. Puppeteer is a Node.js library that runs a headless version of Chrome. Puppeteer allows you to wait for elements on the page to finish loading, and this includes waiting for JavaScript to finish executing. The library also allows you to do things like save pages to PDF and save screenshots of pages. You can find my complete guide to web scraping with Puppeteer on my blog. Standard websites where content of the page is simply part of the HTML can be scraped using a library in Node.js called Request Promise. This is a very popular library for requesting web resources and is widely used. This is also the same library that powers the other 2 web scraping methods. You can find the guide to setting up this method on the Luke's Toolkit blog. And finally, websites protected by CloudFlare typically have a mathematical challenge that needs to be completed in a particular way. Scraping the page normally through one of the other methods would typically return an error page. Cloud Scraper is a Node.js library for CloudFlare protected sites that makes scraping these sites a lot easier. The library completes the challenge and then returns the actual page that you requested. You can find how to complete this step by step on the blog at Luke's Toolkit. You can find my free web scraping toolkit with complete code available on my GitHub, as well as complete step-by-step guides on each of the methods on my blog. You can find me on GitHub at github.com/LukeGackle, and you can find the blog and all of the guides and resources at lukestoolkit.blogspot.com. Here you can see we offer a range of different guides, and if I click on the web scraping with Puppeteer guide, you can see we've got a complete step-by-step guide with step-by-step instructions on how to complete and how to set up this method on your platform. Thank you for watching, and to find all of the resources that we've mentioned in this video, head over to lukestoolkit.blogspot.com.